Introducing the Oakford 36A Pellet Smoker. Authentic, uncompromising, and uncomplicated. Whatever you're hungry for, this Oakford 6-in-1 cooking system brings big-time smoke and big-time versatility to each and every cookout. Creating wood fire flavor starts at the hopper. With the capacity to hold an impressive 22 pounds, simply lift the lid, pour in your pellets, and track your fuel with the EyeSight pellet fuel indicator. And when it's time to change flavors, a convenient latch door ensures a swift and seamless exchange. From there, an all-new analog controller offers a classic and intuitive approach to smoking, letting you immerse in the craft with traditional simplicity. Just set your temperature, insert the included meat probe, and let time and timber do the rest. Inside the firebox, 930 square inches of total cooking space leaves ample room to explore your appetite for smoky flavor. Porcelain enamel steel cooking grates are easy to clean, leave impressive grill marks, and deliver lasting performance. Plus, a premium build and hammer-tone finish make this Oakford both a workhorse and a showpiece, ready to be the star at any outdoor setting. When it's time to clean up, a removable grease bucket keeps things simple. And two heavy-duty wheels help to free up patio space till next time. Now everyone's invited to experience pellet smoking in its purest form. With the Oakford 36A Pellet Smoker from Nexgrill.